Okay, good morning once again. Today's topic is Climate of India chapter. The topic name is seasons. So, in the topic called seasons, we are going to discuss about uh, different seasons. Like we have winter and we have summer. Okay, winter and summer. So here we will see what happens during the winter, in which months actually the winter starts. Okay, so the temperature in India, like Indian mass, the Indian body, considerably like it reduces from the mid-November. So when does winter starts in India? So it starts around mid-November and the cold season continues. This monsoon season continues till mid-February or okay mid or the end of February. January is usually January is the coldest month. Okay, and here the daily temperature sometimes in some places, not in all the places, sometimes goes below 10 degrees also. Okay, several parts of the country. However, the cold winter, the cold winter is more pronounced like coldness compared to the South India. In the North India, the temperatures will be low. Okay, South India, especially if you see coastal areas, and they enjoy moderate climate, and the temperature more or less it remains like around 20 degrees. Okay, Celsius. So if you see during the winter, the weather is like pleasant with a clear sky, low humidity, and cool breezes. Understood? So here you see cyclonic depression occurs, which comes from the Mediterranean Sea. So this is called as Western disturbances. This is called as Western disturbances. So this will cause low to moderate rainfall. Low to moderate rainfall. What kind of rainfall will be there? Low to moderate rainfall in the North India. This rainfall is a boon into Varamu, a boon for the North Indian farmers because it helps in producing the wheat crop. Wheat crop, which is generally a rabi crop. Okay, a rabi season crop. India lies in the trade wind belt. So where does India lies? Trade wind belt of northern hemisphere. That is northeast trades. Northeast trade winds. So northeast trade winds blow over the India from the land to sea. Where from the breezes blow from land to sea. Therefore, these breezes are dry. Understood. However, uh, like some amount of rainfall occurs, some amount of rainfall occurs on the Coromandel coast of India. You know Coromandel coast, Tamil Nadu. So in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu receives a little amount of rainfall during the northeast trade winds. As they pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal while coming crossing the ocean. Okay, they pick up from the Bay of Bengal winds. Understood? So this is about the winter, what we have seen. Now we are going to discuss about summer. How is summer in India? What are the months during the hot season? As we move from south to north, from South India to North India, Tamil Nadu to Kashmir. So as we move in the north towards north, the temperature, the average temperature, okay, increases starting in April. The temperature increases and slowly the maximum temperature will lead to like the maximum temperature will be 37 degrees Celsius in the northern parts of India, Indian plains. Understood? So by mid-May, the temperature during the day will reach sometimes to 41 degrees also. So the hot temperature, 41, 42 also in the many parts of the country, especially the South Indian parts. So in the northwestern plains and central India, even the minimum temperature will be 20 degrees. So it will not go below the 20 degrees. It will not go below the 20 degrees. The northern plains experience what kind of winds? Dry and hot winds. Dry and hot winds. So dry and hot winds in India are L-O-O, Lu. Understood? So towards the end of the summer, so as the summer moves off, towards the end of the summer, we'll have pre-monsoon showers, some kind of little rainfall. And this little rainfall monsoon showers are seen in the Deccan Plateau region, so southern part of India. So this helps, okay, in the early ripening of mangoes, early ripening of mangoes and other plantation crops in the peninsular India. Hence, they are locally known as mango showers. So in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the showers which comes during the pre-monsoon season as the summer ends. Okay, these are called as pre-monsoon showers or mango showers. Is it okay? So two types of seasons. Then the next we will discuss about monsoons. So we have advancing monsoon. See the name advancing. So the climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. Okay, the monsoon winds which blow, it affects a lot in India. Okay, and if you see the sailors in the ancient times who sailed, okay, who sailed to India, they used this monsoon winds because these monsoon winds have periodical rivers. So for some months it will move in one direction, and after some months it will move in an opposite direction. So when these winds are moving towards India, the sailors start sailing to India. When it reverses from India, they go back to their countries with the help of these winds. Okay, especially the Arab traders. And these Arab traders named this seasonal reversal of winds as monsoon. The season batti winds reverse avadani, they call it as monsoon. Okay, monsoon is actually an Arabic word which means mausam, season. So the monsoon forms, so where this monsoon actually forms. So this monsoon forms in the tropical area. Tropical area. Ikkada avirbhavistadi monsoon area ante 20 degrees north to 20 degrees south. So our latitudes low. So where does those latitudes lie? Suppose this is this is equator. So 0 degrees. So you could imagine this 20 degrees. is 20 degrees. So this like this. The monsoon starts occurring in this 20 degrees north to 20 degrees south. And this south-east monsoon winds, see there, south-east monsoon winds from the southern hemisphere, it will carry moisture from the Indian Ocean towards the equatorial low pressure belts. Okay, low pressure zones. So after crossing the equator, this winds will deflect, will not go straight, deflect, direction markadi to the low pressure areas towards Indian subcontinent. Okay, now the heating of land creates low pressure. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, land heat అవుతుంది. సో దాని వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, low pressure అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. The heating of land creates low pressure on the Indian land mass. Understood? Now, especially if you see over the central India, and if you see the Ganga plains, Tibetan plateau, so these regions get intensely hot or heated, strong vertical winds. Yeah, vertical winds blow, I think. And they blow around the plateau about 9 kilometers altitude. Altitude and ettu 9 kilometers above the sea level, it will blow. Is it clear? So if you see, after they blow in that altitude, they flow towards the southwest monsoon. Southeast nunchi southwest monsoon ki flow. The Indian plateau divides them into two branches. Now this is divided again into two branches. One is Arabian branch, the other one is Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch hits towards the Bengal coast, and Arabian will hit Shillong. The Bengal coast will hit Bay of Bengal branch will hit the Bengal coast, and southern parts of Shillong plateau. And after hitting that, it deflects back and flows towards the west. Flows towards the west, towards Indo-Gangetic Valley. Now we have another branch, Arabians. The Arabians branch arrives at the west coast of India and moves towards the north, west to north. Both these branches will reach the India by the beginning of June. Okay, by the beginning of June. This entering of winds, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, it is known as onset of monsoon. What it is known? Onset of monsoon. Okay, and slowly they will spread throughout the country in 4 to 5 weeks. Understood? So this monsoons will spread in the country within 4 to 5 weeks, and this monsoons will bring a bulk of rainfall. Okay, in India, in the like southwest monsoons will bring bulk of rainfall, southwest monsoon, and the amount of rainfall in the east, west, the bulk of rainfall in India, and this is the southwest monsoon. The amount of rainfall is very high, where west coast due to the Western Ghats and northeast India due to the high peaks. Okay, and Tamil Nadu coast, Coromandel coast, however, this remains dry. This remains dry during the season. Okay, so during the southwest monsoon season, the Tamil Nadu remains dry, and it is in the rain shadow region, okay, of the Arabian Sea branch, and it is parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch. You know, parallel lines. Okay, so this is all about advancing monsoon, right? So in our next class, we will discuss about retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon. Clear? Okay. So if possible, I will just conduct the quiz. Just stay online. Okay, link is given to you. Start the quiz.